Hello guys, as at yesterday being the 16th of January 2024, there is this massive explosion that hit Ibadan and it has kept people talking and wondering what could be the cause of this explosion. In this video, I'm going to play to you the video of how the explosion happened because there was a video I received on how the explosion happened. It was like a satellite video. I'm going to play to you in this video. And I'm also going to show you the aftermath effect of this explosion, okay? And again, I'm going to show you the speech made by the governor of Oyo State concerning this explosion. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss out, so you get every detail, because I'm going to play to you different clips, important clips that you need to get, and show you pictures that you need to get, both drone pictures of these explosions. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free. Just click the red subscribe button below this video and you see an effect it's going to give to you. It's very nice. And then like this video and drop your comment in the comment box. Tell us what you think about this explosion, what you feel will have been the cause.
This is really massive. Let me turn on like that. Turn on. See houses down. We can't count the number of houses that are gone. Ewo church, Ewo moto. It's just so pathetic, and there's no rescue mission at all. It's so sad. Ṣé kò yẹ kí náà ti bo gbogbo ibà kó bá jẹ́ kó ní àní ti rí náà ni. Just sad. Kò sí ordinary LKT light. Kò sí excavator tó lè máa.
So guys, those clips I just played to you are some of the clips from the sites where this explosion happened. As you can see, there was a lot of damage. Now, some people are saying that this may be a terrorist attack. Some are saying that it might be a gas explosion. Some are saying that it's like a dynamite, or some are saying that it might be miners. Some people are even saying maybe the Nigerian military or the Nigerian Air Force has mistakenly dropped a bomb. They have mistakenly dropped a bomb. Some people are giving that suggestion that maybe they have mistakenly, maybe this aircraft have been flying around, you know, all these jets have been flying around, maybe have mistakenly dropped a bomb. There's a lot of news that is spreading that could have caused this explosion. Meanwhile, still on this topic, the governor of Oyo State has come out and give his own opinion. I would like you to listen to what he has to say.
Your Excellency, sir, it is quite unfortunate. In all of this, what do you have to say, Your Excellency, sir?
Well, I mean, these are preliminary period, you know. We've seen the devastation here, and from what we've gathered so far, the likelihood is that you have illegal miners toying with explosives around this place. We've always said to people that when you see something, say something, and then the authorities should be able to do something. This is quite unfortunate. At this stage is just to rescue anyone that is still under the rubble here, and also the people that have been taken to the hospital to give them care. And also some of the people who have their houses destroyed, provide temporary accommodation for them at hotels within the city. And then in the morning, we definitely will continue the investigation.
Okay.
So guys, after listening to the governor, what do you think? What do you have to say about this whole incident? Drop your comment in the comment box and I'm going to reply it. Let's interact. Let's know what's your take about this incident, okay? So guys, I'm going to play to you a video I just received that someone said that this is a satellite view of how the explosion took place. I'm going to play that video to you. Pay close attention to see if you can actually detect the cause of this explosion. Okay, but before I show you that video, like I said, if you are new to this channel, it is very, very simple and free for you to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button you are seeing below this video. Subscription is free, and don't forget to drop your comment, and feel free to share our videos to any platform, any vlog, anywhere you want to share our video. Feel free to share it. So let's watch that footage. Guys, what do you have to say about that footage that we just watched now? The footage that is still showing on the screen here. What do you have to say? It looks like Ibadan, it looks like that particular site, or could it be another video? Some people are saying that this video is not the Ibadan explosion. Some people are saying that it is. So I really want you to drop the comment in the comment box. Tell us what you think. Is it actually the site? Those who live in that particular street, is this your street? Is this the place? Let us know in the comment box, okay? So guys, I'm going to play to you more clips concerning this incident, the aftermath effects of this explosion. I'm going to play to you more videos and show you more pictures. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to end. Don't miss any part of this video. Watch.
Oh God. People are on NEMA. Where are the NEMA officials? The NEMA one.
Do you have his wife?
Please, no phones there.
That's your job. Cover this thing. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Gates, these are structures for gates.
Gates in general.
Of course.
You don't want to
say.
Nobody can
Okay.
How are you? You can appreciate but nobody was found there anyway.
I know the government came with that. In the hostel. Hostel on my
People that are here, You need to explain that this thing. You need to explain. That but we have to
So guys, after watching this video, like I said, drop your opinion in the comment box and we're going to reply you, and we're going to get some information too from the information you give us in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video from beginning to the end. Like I said, if you are new, subscribe. Subscription is free. I'm going to keep you updated in anything happening or trending around you. Stay safe guys, stay safe out there. Remain blessed. Peace.